Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I have this monster of a locomotive. It's actually a more successful rebuild of the 6444 locomotive that I previously had, but now it extends like this, basically like almost a triplex right here, but it's only got 2 instead of 3 sets of wheels. So if you watched the live stream, you already know about this thing, except for the new wheels, but here it's just this. It's like this on the bottom. And it gets strange articulation here. And it goes down. And then back to the standard wheels. And actually, this locomotive, I say quote locomotive, because the locomotive intender, technically. This thing is so powerful that it rips the couplings of cars apart. Like my train cars. And it's meant for power, not speed. But it can go a fair decent amount of speed. But I will be scrapping this thing soon. I'm probably going to preserve the most of the tender, but I'm definitely going to scrap this part right here, along with all the wheels. But yeah, this is just a quick little review of the rebuild of the previous one. Which means after this, there will be a 480 and a 040 locomotive on the way. It would just be a shame to see this thing go, which is sad because I really wish I had a lot more wheels and parts just to build. But this concludes this quick little video, so I'm not sure what exactly what the next one will be. But I'm pretty sure it's the Union Pacific diesel. So see y'all in the next one. Bye.